Over there you have the water. Swedish next biggest lake, Vättern. So now we're leaving Hjo. We've been walking for a while. And this is day 21.
Yeah.
So welcome.
I got the heavy backpack. This truck I don't want to go up against on the road.
No.
Because it's a huge one.
It's a heavy one. Oh. Yeah, I have a heavy backpack. My dance is so heavy. Fully loaded with all our food.
Yeah, everything we need. So now we don't need a store for a few days. If we have go through a store, of course we will do some updates, but like today's lunch, we got some leftover bread from last night and a little leftover salad. So perfect.
And we will walking along this road for, I don't know, sometime the beginning of today, and then
reach the path again.
Yeah, until we reach the path. Yeah. So this is not. This is the they were waving at us, and this is not the optional road. They say the opposite to an optional road, but it is what it is, and it will take us to our beaten path. Lunchtime.
Yeah. Just what's the name of this bread? It's not red bread, it's another nice bread we found with salad, tomato and shrimp cheese. Can you show the shrimp cheese? That's my favorite. Kavli shrimp cheese. I really enjoy.
Soft cheese.
Soft cheese. Yeah.
Soft cheese.
Yeah.
Very Swedish, this one.
And we found a little, what's the name of this? Wall, not wall.
Stone wall.
No, it's not wall.
Stenmur.
Huh?
Stone.
I don't know.
Small wall.
Yeah. So we're just sitting on top of this.
Right at the church.
Church and cemetery over there, and we got nice weather over there.
Yeah.
It's pitch black, so maybe after this we will have to pick out our rain gear. It has been raining a little bit.
Yeah, the weather app says 10% rain, and yeah, well, I think we have 10% rain.
Yeah, can be.
But this night it was heavy rain.
Yeah.
So we had luck again.
Yeah. And it's funny Anna says that, because how could she know that? So we have to ask her, how did you know it was heavy rain last night? You have to answer, my friend.
Mm-hmm. You told me.
Yeah. What? You know nothing about that?
I have no idea.
No.
I have.
It was wet ground when we wake up, and she has slept like a baby all night.
Since 8 yesterday evening until 6:30.
6:30, yeah.
Yeah, like a baby.
Yeah. But now let's eat up and then put on our rain gear, I think.
Doesn't look good. I have a little bag of snacks.
It's not snacks, it's for the oatmeal. We always put some dry fruit or nuts in the oatmeal to get the calories and a little bit of fat and sugar in us. So.
And this is snack, some mango,
Yeah.
dry mango.
Yeah. Yeah.
It
So
was good to the coffee now after we have eaten the sandwiches.
Yeah. And I put on full gear because it started to rain, but it stopped again. And I just ran away to put on her jacket, then it stopped to rain. But I was a little bit faster because my bag was closer. But
And now we have the sun again.
yeah, yeah. So
And this is today's weather. But it's not to be so heavy than yesterday.
no, it feels okay. So now let's eat some raisin and drink up the coffee. Yummy.
Yummy. now, my friend, we are on the road again on section 6.
Yeah. Over 500 kilometers down.
Yeah. So that's a really great one.
Yeah. And it was worth to go into U, because U was a beautiful little city.
I'm really...
I've never been there, and
No.
I heard it. We can stand still.
These flies are... there were so many around my head just a minute ago. So I really thinking about taking that mesh hood on that I have in my pocket. But then a little breeze come and... but you can't stand still. I don't know what the flies are from. It's not normal flies.
No, maybe horse flies. I don't know.
Horse flies, moose flies, have no idea. They are annoying anyway. But
And a lot of mosquitoes as well.
mosquitoes. We really need our pants now, Dan.
Yeah, but I took the pants off because it was piping hot.
Yeah, and I took my jacket off. Oh, we have a uphill for at least 3 kilometers. I was bathing in sweat, so I couldn't have it on me. But now I'm fancy long pants, I think. But we have to see. But this is section 6.
Yeah, and once again, over 500 kilometers down.
Yeah, 500 out of 2,800.
Yeah.
But that's a good one.
But the Camino we did 800, so
Yeah.
I'm
Oh.
really excited for this one. But maybe let's check the map.
Yeah, I have to check it.
Yeah.
We are changing clothes.
And not because of the rain this time.
No, but because we're going down there.
So now we're going deep in the bushes.
And have we bought long pants? We're gonna use the long pants.
Yeah.
So this is the first time we use them for real.
I had them for real before.
No, but I mean for this.
Yeah.
For this environment. So hopefully it will feel a bit better when you walk, because of the mosquitoes, the ticks, the
Flies.
the wettiness.
The wettiness, yeah.
Oh, and I have your shorts underneath.
Perfect. We haven't had that before.
No, it is too much. I'm not used to have long pants at all.
No, me neither. I got piping hot just before.
So we're going to be piping hot here now as well, but better to be hot than to be stung.
Yeah,
Stunged.
Yeah.
Is his name stunged?
Maybe. And I already got some new mosquito bites for today. And I tried some grape.
Yeah, he did like you said.
Yeah.
Grape juice.
But for now it didn't help, and it's not so much grape here, like Anna said in the comments. So, but I'm still a tasty man, unfortunately. But I hope.
He always tasty.
Yeah, but I have never been bitten so much. So maybe I think I should try to eat some more garlic, because when we're back home we always eat a lot of garlic, and that's a smelly thing.
What have I done? Oh, it's my boots. Oh, like this. No, I look like this.
And we have the ants.
I'm so colorful. Look at this.
Yeah.
I'm looking like Batik witch.
So now we came from that direction, and that was super nice. And now we're going in there. There's a small trail, but the trail looks good. But now when we have the pants, let's use the pants.
Yeah, it's going to feel so much nicer with the high grass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we have to be more thinking about changing clothes. So maybe change a few times a day, because I always, like you know guys, have followed us for some time. I always try to have shorts and shorts and no shirt is the perfect day. But now I have shirt and shorts every day.
And then we always think, no, it just is the small.
Every
just
time.
a few bushes.
Yeah.
And then you're hiking on for hours in this. And
all day.
Yeah.
And then I say to Anna when we go to bed, oh, tomorrow I'm going to use the long pants.
But now we're going to be much more brilliant and change the whole time.
Yeah. I hope so. But let's go. Less talking, more walking, babe.
And now we have these wet holes again. Oh, and you're sinking down in them. Whoa! But I wanted to show you anyway. But it's hard. I have my poles. I have you guys in my right hand. And still, the nature is beautiful. Now we have been in a little town like you for one day. I feel lucky when we are out here in the forest. So I don't think I'm not a big city person. Not for now anyway. Maybe I change my mind again. But for now I'm happy in the forest and in small cities. Are you a big city eye or a small city eye? Tell me in the comments.
Welcome to Karlsborg. So this is the next destination on this journey. Do we go left or we go right? I don't know. Left or right, my friend?
Right.
To the right we go.
To the right we go.
You're very colorful. Pink pants, red shirt and green bag.
Yeah, but before I had my purple bag. So now I'm just green. And now we're uphill again. We come from down there, down, 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 and up we go. Can you see him? Ah, there he is. And we are up. And look at this view.
Yeah, we came from up there.
Yeah, we have walked down and then up.
Yeah.
And we're walking down there. So today as well, up and down.
Yeah.
So we had a couple of hard days actually. And that's great. Can this be a great thumbnail?
Maybe it can. Maybe it can.
And now we have the rain as well.
Ah. Nice.
Nice.
And mosquito.
No, that was a big fly. Dinner time. And the chef has cooked pasta, macaroni, and I have chopped up some white cabbage. And then we have dressing, red sauce and ketchup.
This must be, yeah, perfect.
So, yeah, it's a good dinner. And we have walked quite far today, so far.
Quite far, so far.
We have walked
15.
over 18 kilometers. So that's a good. I think that's a good day.
According to the phone, it's never right. It's
No,
almost
now we have
shorter.
got so much up and down, and then you know from the Camino, you have been with us for some time. Our phones they doesn't show correct, so probably it's over 20 then.
Yeah.
But if he's good in the body.
Yeah, I'm just hungry, so
Yeah.
it feels very, very good. And the time is 4
I
o'clock,
don't know.
5 o'clock. 5 o'clock exactly.
5?
Yeah.
So now we have to eat, and then we're gonna walk for until we find a good place.
It would be nice. We have a store approximately 10 kilometers from here. We have a little surprise we want to do. So it would be nice if we can hit that store tomorrow morning. So can we walk 6 or 7 kilometers and stop there? It would be perfect.
So maybe 1.5 hours after this.
And if we have hit that thing, the store, that video is already out on the channel. So riddle me later.
That it is.
Because this one is coming after.
So maybe.
We don't know.
But now we're going to eat. So, and look at this. They have done some great work. So we're sitting, I haven't showed you. We found this place here. Look at this. Another wind shelter.
And the lake is down there.
Yeah. Down there is a lake, and here we have
Double toilet.
yeah. Lake and toilets over there, and wind shelter here.
A disaster, guys. I held myself for over 2 hours, and I have to poo in the forest. So I had to run away with the poo scoop, and like 10-15 minutes after, this double toilet comes here.
Yeah, and this looks quite new.
Yeah, I was super angry. What? It is what it is. So that's why we have a poop scoop.
Yeah, and I think that's such new. So this is not on the map, but this is not new. This is really old. You can see the old marks here. 1987. So
Can I take your food, my friend?
No, you
I'm
cannot.
hungry.
So here happens. That's a really nice shelter, but I can see it's hole in the roof.
I don't think all Lea Kim 69.
89.
89.
Maybe.
There it says 69.
Ah, is that 60? I have no idea.
98. 2000.
Maybe when
23.
Maybe when they are born.
Yeah, maybe.
But let's eat up. I can't believe what I see. Look at this. Look what I have here. A blueberry. My first blueberry this year. You can see here, they are not ripe enough. But one was ripe enough. That was early. Has to be much sun at this point here. Love blueberries.
The end of today. And a lot of those, I don't remember the name, not the mosquitoes, the small ones. Millions of them. But here's where we sleep today. We have talked to the farmer, and it was okay we were over there because he have chopped all this down, so there's no problem. I hope you can see this. So many. And today we walked for like 25 or 28 kilometers. So Anna is just sitting here and playing with her phone. Do you see, what was the name of the small ones here?
Gnats.
Gnats.
Or something like that. And we have them in the tent as well now.
Yeah, but I will go and pee, and then we have to kill them all inside.
I can see outside the tent. They want to come in.
Yeah, there are millions of them.
Bye guys, I'll see you tomorrow.
They are swarming around my head.
End of day 21. Thumb up, subscribe, turn on notifications. Good night.
We're DanAnna. Cheers. And thank you for coming along on this beautiful day. See you tomorrow. And we have a deer down there as well.